All right. Let me explain the setup here. You've got real-time thermal sensor imaging coming to an external presence. Notice the clarity of my hand, and by the way, I could turn the lights off entirely in this room. You can see the setup. Here's my hand. This is a FLIR sensor, so you can see the clarity in the night. This will have exceptional range. And with the lights on, there's the thermal video signal. Here's the core functionality off the drone that is untouched and all completely working. In terms of the additions, the video transmitter has been placed inside the housing and the body of the drone. Basic RF antenna on the outside of the drone. And then of course the most unique add-on is the FLIR. This is a 4.3 millimeter, which will give me a 1-to-1 ratio of height to width in basic math in terms of the ratio. But obviously the Boson FLIR is a exceptionally small, compact, lightweight, low profile, low power consumption. In this case, it's got a vibration dampener on it, and it is fully adjustable in terms of angles of approach, and all of the factory components off the DJI drone in this case are still functional. So just put this together, and looking forward to taking it out for a flight.